Hello viewers, today I will show you my toolbox which is made of snap-on copy and let's see. Now I opened the cover and now you see in the box this is these are the different type of compounds, lubricants compounds, and this is the hammer, rubber hammer, a good quality of hammer which is made of snap-on company. This is the tube cutter, very good tube cutter, a sharp blade, these gauges and tubes are used in refrigeration for gas charging and pressure testing. Now I opened the second. These are the Allen key set. This is a good big screwdriver made of snap-on company. This is the hexa used for cutting different materials. This is a file and this is a screwdriver. And these are used in refrigeration to hold up tube for flaring purpose. This is the nose plier and a little screwdriver for a tiny spaces. Now I open the third shelf. Now you see the different materials. These are the long screwdrivers. These are the Allen key sets, which is an Allen key set made of Alora company. This is a cutter made of JB USA. This is a thermometer, digital thermometer used to measure temperature. This is the socket set made of snap-on company, a very good socket set with ratchet. These are the combination spanner set, very good spanner and rigid and powerful set. Snap-on company made of chrome. These are used in refrigeration for flaring tools for tubing. Now you see these are also sockets which is kept in magnetic stand. A very good quality of sockets made of snap-on company. And this is the ratchet type spanner, reversible spanner. It's called reversible spanner and very good help and work. This is also a ratchet to use these sockets. We use these ratchets. These ratchets also made of snap-on company. This ratchet work both sides, reverse and forward. these are socket sets including ratchet and sockets, ratchets and extensions, full size extension, medium size extension, and also this is a wire cutter. To peel off the wire, we use this plier. Now you see this box. In this box there is Allen key set, these are deep long sockets and screwdrivers, and these are sockets, Allen keys with ratchet. Now you see this box. Now I am going to open. This is the complete flaring tool kit for air conditioning purpose. You see, this is my little toolbox which is equipped with very good tools. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. In next video we will share more details.